There's a right way and a wrong way to prune tall branches and limbs with a chainsaw. So let's cover the right way. There are two basic parts of a pole saw: a pole and a saw. Today we're using an electric pole saw, a Remington Ranger, with the front handguard, guide bar and bar tip, the saw chain, chain oil bulb, and chain oil level window. Here we have the tension adjustment screw and the bucking spike. Then you've got the coupler and extension boom. And on this end, the power cord, rear handle, throttle control, and throttle lockout. Alright, now you know your way around your pole saw. Let's talk about getting your tree limbs safely to the ground. Before you take down those gnarly limbs, gear up. Always wear heavy-duty, snug-fitting clothes, boots, eye and ear protection, gloves, and a hard hat. When you're ready to start, make sure you check your oil level and press the chain oil bulb every 10 to 30 seconds or so while cutting. That lubes your bar and chain to make cutting easier and extends the life of your equipment. Make sure your extension cord is for outdoor use and that it's plugged in. Loop the cords too. That way if one gets snagged, you won't lose power. Pole saws can draw an audience, but you gotta keep people and pets clear of your work area. It's tough to control where falling limbs land, so always stand at an angle to the limb you're working on. Give those branches a clear path to the ground. Make sure you've got a firm grip and stand in a stable position. To start it up, press and hold the throttle lockout and squeeze and hold the throttle control. With the saw running at full speed, press against the limb with light, steady pressure. No need to force it. The chain does the cutting. Stay in control as you're operating and never raise your arms over your head. Keep them at waist level for optimum stability. To stop the saw, release the throttle control, making sure the saw chain is totally stopped. After bringing down those limbs, you can detach the chainsaw and turn those former tree parts into snuggle-ready firewood. How efficient is that? Well, now you know how to keep your trees healthy. If you want to know how to keep you and your pole saw in good running shape, click one of these.